I decided to make a Wing Chun dummy, and it's kind of hard to find like an entire log. That's a bit difficult in my opinion. It may be easier for other people to find giant logs. I'm not one of those fortunate people. I know one kid came up with the idea with a PVC pipe, and he put wooden sticks, I guess you can call them, 2x4s, whatever, just all the way around the PVC. Like, yeah, I'll put a link in the description. He had an amazing idea on how to do it without having to find an actual log. And if I were to do the exact same thing and record it, I would literally just be stealing content from him. So I won't do that. And I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to watch how he did it, because I think his is going to be way better than the one I'm going to make. Oh yeah, oh, my cat just touched that, dude. Oh, my cat's so fucked. Yeah. Another sponge is ripping. Fuck. Well, that was a smart. Shit. Fuck. Something's telling me this isn't efficient.
It's not.
It's not something.
It's very not
I just
efficient.
don't think it's
It's
efficient.
very not efficient.
Yeah, I don't know why, but it's just my gut's telling me, you know.
There's a lot of things telling me that this is not efficient.
Oh yeah, really?
Yeah.
That's weird.
You know what would be really efficient?
What?
One of those hand grind, or like the hand ones.
So after 3 hours of just chiseling, I managed. Let me see if I can turn the light. There you go. I managed to get somewhat of a square hole, and it's barely big enough where I can only put the top side in. See, I can barely fit it in. Right, but that's an improvement because before it was a circle. So after 3 hours of chiseling at some wood, I got less than an inch in. Well, I want to say less than an inch. It's like, yeah, that's about an inch maybe. So to solve this issue with the crack, you just save the piece and you put Gorilla Glue under it, and then you just press it down really hard, right? And try to maybe rub it up, you know? Just rub it up. Make sure it's nice and tight. Press down really hard. Right? I'm gonna put a little bit of glue in actually. So let's put some glue in. Oh. There you go. Alright, like, and a little drip right there. Cause I don't want. And after that, you just put a 15-pound weight on it to keep constant pressure, and that should look good by tomorrow. So here comes the very manual labor part, the pain, the suffering. Because, man, I'm gonna tell you right now, this is, I mean, it's not that hard. It just, it's time consuming, right? It's really time consuming. Really annoying. So, I don't know. I'm not digging it, So this hole is going to be straight down, not curved to the left or the right, just straight down. So we'll see how this will go.